Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason, and as always, I've got Maya here with me. Today's a good one. If you've ever stared at an English grammar book and felt like your brain's about to explode, you're definitely not alone.
Honestly, I still remember freaking out over all the present perfect progressive nonsense back in school. But what if we just focus on the three tenses you actually need for daily life? Past, present, and future. That's what we're diving into today. Simple, real-world English without the headache.
Exactly. And big shout out to our listeners who messaged us after last episode asking for this. Last time, we covered building confidence starting conversations. And honestly, understanding these tenses is kind of the next step. Let's keep it super practical. No overthinking, just stuff you can actually use.
Okay, so let's kick off with the present tense. If you remember any tense, this one's it. Think about sentences like, I drink coffee, or she walks to work. It's happening now, it's a habit, or it's generally true. That's present simple in action.
Yeah, I use this all the time. I post podcasts, I write blogs. It's stuff we do regularly. And you don't have to worry about adding a bunch of endings or weird words. Just main verb, done. Actually, do you have a quick present tense example, Maya?
Sure, you listen to Easy English Talks. You're literally doing it right now. Here's a small exercise. Think of something you do every morning. Try making a present tense sentence like, I brush my teeth. See? That's it. So simple.
All right, let's jump back to the past. That's the tense for telling stories, sharing news, or, explaining what you did over the weekend. Like, I watched a movie, or we went to the park.
I always mix up the regular and irregular verbs. But for most, you just add ed at the end, like played, visited. But then there's weird ones like ate, right? I ate pizza yesterday. Oh, where was I going with this? Right. Just focus on the action already finished. If you get the verb a little wrong, people still get what you mean.
Totally. And this is the tense for all those stories with your friends. Like, Maya, remember last Saturday? I lost my keys and spent like an hour searching for them. That's classic past tense stuff.
Love that. Listeners, try this exercise. Think about yesterday. Now make a sentence like, I called my friend, or if you did nothing, I relaxed. Easy way to practice.
All right, my favorite, future tense. This is where you talk about your plans or schedule. Like, I will travel next month, or she will start a new job. If you use going to, it sounds chill too. I'm going to watch a new movie.
And this totally helps in work emails. Like, I will send you the document tomorrow, or we are going to meet at 3 p.m. You sound confident and clear. Here's a mini challenge. Think of something you'll do tomorrow and turn it into a sentence. Like, I will cook dinner, or I will study English.
And hey, if you mess up the details, don't sweat it. Seriously, native speakers mess up tenses all the time. The important thing is getting your idea across. It's like we said in our first episode. Practice, get feedback. And the more you use these, the more natural it gets.
Yeah, basically, if you get really good at these three, past, present, and future, you're like 90% of the way to sounding natural. Whether you're telling a story, writing an email, or just chatting, you can do it all. No need for crazy grammar books.
So, quick recap. Practice making sentences about what you do, what you did, and what you'll do. Keep it short, simple, and real. And remember, you're learning for real life, not a test.
All right, that's all for today, folks. Next time, we'll dig into some common expressions for making plans in English, so you can actually use those future tense skills. Thanks for listening. Jason, always a pleasure.
Same here, Maya. Thanks everyone for joining us. Have a great day, and don't forget to practice.